With Fulcrum's powerful data event capabilities, users can easily configure automated workflows for capturing data triggered by specific events. In this use case, I'll walk through how a Fulcrum app used on Fulcrum Mobile allows field users to capture their GPS location with the tap of a button, automatically logging their start and stop coordinates. For this demonstration, we've set up a Fulcrum form using the drag and drop interface in the app builder. The form includes two sections, start location and stop location. Within each section, we've added custom hyperlink buttons labeled set start location and set end location. When tapped, these buttons trigger data events that capture the device's current GPS coordinates in the applicable fields. We've also included timestamps for both the start and stop points, giving a clear audit trail. In the Fulcrum data events for this form, we can see simple logic being applied where the clicking of the button triggers the location of the device to be calculated in the Fulcrum fields. This functionality is very useful and can really help to streamline the process of grabbing those coordinates. Let's go ahead and jump over into the mobile demonstration and see how this works. Launching into Fulcrum Mobile, we can see the title of the same app we are working in the Fulcrum app builder called Start and Stop Locations. Let's launch into the app and demonstrate the functionality. In the mobile app, GPS is automatically enabled with the permissions set in the form, and your current location is shown on the map. By clicking on the button for creating a new record in the bottom right corner of the quick access bar, it launches the Fulcrum form to begin collecting start and stop locations. Let's first click on the set start location. A message instantly alerts us, letting us know that we've successfully captured coordinates in the applicable fields. Let's do the same for set end location. Great. You can see the precision of GPS data with subtle changes in the 7th decimal indicating movements of less than a meter as I was performing this demonstration. It's also worth noting that Fulcrum supports other automated methods for capturing GPS data, such as through repeatable sections, which allow for multiple entries with location data in a single record. This demonstration highlights how Fulcrum's advanced form logic and event-driven automation can enhance your field data collection efforts. If you're interested in exploring how to apply this to your own use case, feel free to connect with us at www.fulcrumapp.com. We'd love to help tailor a solution for your team. Thank you.